Hi, hello, welcome family, link in description, like and subscribe. Mastering your makeup routine with the BS Mall Makeup Brush Set, a comprehensive guide. The BS Mall Makeup Brush Set is an essential toolkit for anyone looking to enhance their makeup application process. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this set provides a range of brushes that cater to every makeup need. In this guide, we'll explore each brush in the set, its specific use, and some tips and tricks to get the most out of your BS Mall brushes. Understanding your BS Mall brush set. The BS Mall Makeup Brush Set typically includes a variety of brushes, each designed for a specific purpose. Here's a breakdown of the most common brushes you'll find in the set. Flat kabuki brush, angled kabuki brush, flat angled brush, tapered kabuki brush, round kabuki brush, small precision brush, small flat brush, small angled brush, small tapered brush, small round brush. Step-by-step guide to using each brush. Flat kabuki brush. Purpose: foundation application. How to use: apply a small amount of liquid or cream foundation onto the back of your hand. Dab the flat kabuki brush into the foundation and buff it onto your face using circular motions. This brush is excellent for achieving a smooth, even coverage. Tip: for a more natural look, start with a small amount of foundation and build up as needed. Angled kabuki brush. Purpose: blush and bronzer application. How to use: dip the angled kabuki brush into your blush or bronzer. Tap off any excess and apply to the apples of your cheeks, sweeping upward towards the temples. The angled shape helps contour and define your cheekbones. Tip: use a light hand to avoid over-applying product. Flat angled brush. Purpose: contouring and highlighting. How to use: for contouring, dip the flat angled brush into a contour powder or cream and apply it under your cheekbones, along your jawline, and at the sides of your nose. For highlighting, use the same brush to apply highlighter on the high points of your face, such as the tops of your cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of your nose. Tip: blend well to avoid harsh lines and achieve a natural look. Tapered kabuki brush. Purpose: applying foundation and concealer. How to use: use the tapered kabuki brush to apply foundation around the eyes, nose, and mouth. The tapered shape allows for precise application in hard-to-reach areas. Tip: this brush is also great for blending concealer under the eyes and around the nose. Round kabuki brush. Purpose: powder application. How to use: swirl the round kabuki brush into your setting powder or mineral foundation, tap off the excess, and apply in a circular motion all over your face. This brush helps to set your makeup and reduce shine. Tip: use a translucent powder for a natural finish. Small precision brush. Purpose: detailed work and concealing small areas. How to use: use the small precision brush to apply concealer on blemishes, redness, and other imperfections. The small size allows for precise application. Tip: pat the concealer in place rather than rubbing to avoid disturbing the foundation underneath. Small flat brush. Purpose: eyeshadow application. How to use: dip the small flat brush into your eyeshadow and apply it to your eyelids. The flat shape is perfect for packing on color. Tip: use a pressing motion to build intensity and minimize fallout. Small angled brush. Purpose: eyebrow and eyeliner application. How to use: use the small angled brush to fill in your eyebrows with brow powder or pomade. This brush can also be used to apply gel eyeliner for a precise line. Tip: for a natural brow look, use light, feathery strokes. Small tapered brush. Purpose: applying and blending eyeshadow. How to use: use the small tapered brush to apply eyeshadow in the crease of your eyelid and blend it out. The tapered shape allows for smooth blending and a seamless transition of colors. Tip: start with a light color and build up to a darker shade for a gradient effect. Small round brush. Purpose: applying and blending eyeshadow. How to use: use the small round brush to apply eyeshadow to the outer corner of your eyes and blend it into the crease for added depth and dimension. Tip: this brush is also great for applying highlighter to the inner corners of the eyes and brow bone. Tips for maintaining your brushes. To ensure your BS Mall makeup brush set lasts a long time and continues to perform well, follow these maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. Clean your brushes at least once a week using a gentle brush cleanser or baby shampoo. Gently massage the bristles and rinse with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Proper drying. After washing, reshape the bristles and lay the brushes flat to dry. Avoid standing them upright while drying, as water can seep into the handle and cause damage. Storage. Store your brushes in a clean, dry place. Use a brush holder or a roll-up case to keep them organized and protected from dust. Conclusion: the BS Mall Makeup Brush Set is a versatile and valuable addition to your beauty arsenal. By understanding the purpose of each brush and mastering the techniques for their use, you can achieve flawless makeup application every time. With proper care and maintenance, your brushes will remain in excellent condition, helping you create stunning looks for years to come. Embrace the art of makeup with confidence, knowing that you have the right tools at your fingertips. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Share your friend. Thanks for your watching.